Good morning, children. Hope you all are well and doing physical exercises daily to keep yourself fit and away from diseases. This is Rinku Giri with part 1 video of chapter number 11 Rocks and Minerals for Standard 5. In this video, we will cover up what is rock and the story how it is formed. Can you guess, children? What is this? That's right, rocks. We are going to learn about rocks in this video. You must have seen rocks are all around us. Some rocks are used like rocks that make up this massive rock formation, and sometimes rocks can be really tiny like baby rocks. Rocks are amazingly all around us. You must be thinking, what are rocks? Rocks are solid chunks of one or more minerals. Rocks are mineral chunks, solid chunks of one or more minerals. Now, most rocks are mixture of multiple minerals like these rocks. Other rocks are made up of just one mineral like in this picture. Chalk is a type of rock made of mineral called calcite. So children, next time when you are playing with chalks, remember that they are the thick sticks made up of calcite. The mineral present in this is calcite. Now rock are solid chunks of one or more minerals and they are super fun to learn about. That's why geologists are so cool. Geologists are rock experts. They study the rocks as their job. Geologists disagree about how many different types of rocks there are. There are so many different types of rocks. That is why it is divided into simple three categories, that is sedimentary, igneous and metamorphic. So children, let us see the small and interesting story how rocks were formed. Around 14 billion years ago, all matter, energy and even space itself was packed into a single point. Then there was a gigantic explosion called the Big Bang and the universe was born. There was only dust and gas. At this point, the temperature was more than 1 trillion degrees hotter than the center of the hottest star. Millions of years later, as the universe cooled down, a huge cloud of gas was and dust gathered together into a disk and began to rotate or spin. Gravity pulled the material towards the center and this eventually became the sun. Along the disk on the outside matter clumped together in bands. Dust and debris around the young sun collided and joined each other to form rocky bodies. Due to gravity, these rocky bodies attracted more particles and grew bigger, eventually forming 4 inner planets. These are rocky planets. They are too hot to hold much water or ice. Further, from the sun's heat, 4 more planets formed. They are called gas giants, as they are huge, mostly made of icy and gaseous material. These 8 major planets remain in their respective orbit around the sun. The earth is made up of several layers of rocks. The solid parts of the earth's crust are called rocks. Different types of rocks comprises a major part of the crust. There are three types of rocks: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. So one by one we will see and learn the types of rocks in our another video. Chapter number 11: Rocks and Minerals. Scientific vocabulary. You have to write this in your science copy. Number 1, minerals. Number 2, igneous. Number 3, sedimentary. Number 4, metamorphic. Number 5, volcanic eruptions. Number 6, granite. Number 7, pumice. Number 8, shale. Number 9, quartzite. Number 10, gneiss. Number 11, conglomerate. Number 12, metallic. Number 13, bituminous. Number 14, lignite. Number 15, conservation. Number 16, resources. Number 17, anthracite. Number 18, diesel. Number 19, crude oil. Number 20, slate. Define. Number 1, rocks. Solid materials of which the earth is made of are called rocks. Number 2, minerals. Chemical substances that rocks are made up of are called minerals. Thank you, children. Practice social distancing. Stay safe indoors.